Tap out na lang.
Diba? Ang number mo?
Pag walang number, 0.
Number 17, Tibira, hindi pumasok. Nakuha ni number 23, Wakali, no good. Number 7, pass to number 30, 13, layup, no good. Rebound by number 18, pass to 0. Pass to number 0 again. Shot is easy, 2 points. Number 7, Terence Romeo, pass to is easy to coach by number 22. Number 17, Barang PCCR, pass to number 0 to right to number 17 is easy to points by 2. Number 7, Terence Romeo. To number 30, Stephen Perry. To Plain White, dribbling the ball. No good. Number 17, dribble the ball. Nagharap ng papasahan, pasok. Sape, number 33. To number 7 again. It's easy. 2 points by Reverie Joey. Number 17, 2. Number 0. It's outside 17. Dribble the ball by number 17. 7. Pass to number 18. James up to number 23. Zabe. 2 points. 0. Ikaw the ball by 0. Nagpapasahan to number 23. Pass to Plain White. Isa no good. Dribble by Zabe. Dribble the ball by Zabe. Zabe pass to number 30. Steve Jerry. Isa number 23. Number 23. To Plain White to number 17. No good. Dribble by number 7. Terence Romeo pass to number 22. Number 22 to 7. Number 30. 2 points. Number 17. Number 72. Dribble ball pass to number 0. Putsalan. No good. Dribble by 18. James up to number 22. Number 22. Spade to number 33. Zabe. No good to number 22 again. Number 22. Rekap na papasahan. Pass to number 7. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 16. Pass to 0. Dribble the ball. Layup is easy 2 points by number 0. Putsalan. Zabe. Excellent. Agawan ni 2. Number 17. Pass to 0. 0 fake. Pass to number 17. Is 2. Isa no good. Rebound by Zabe. Pass break. To number 18. Jason. Fake. Isa easy. 2 to Plain White. No good. Rebound by number 18. Pass to Steve Carey. Layup. No good. Rebound by number 22. Isa easy 2 points. To Plain White. Plain White to number 17. Turn around. Shot. It's a block. 5. Number 7. To number 30. Saktong. Isa. Lock the ball. Pass to Plain White. Pass to number 0 again. Number 0. Pass to number 23. 2 points. Isa. 3 points. Number 33. Zabe. Shout out the best respond below. number 30, Steven Carey, pass to number 18, James Yap, pass to number 20 again, Lord, rebound by number 22, number 22, pass to number 7, Teresa Romeo, 3 points, Lord, rebound by number 18, number 18, James Yap, lagap ng papasahan, pass to number 22, isa, natuluyan, 0 to number 17, 2 pass to number 23, no good, rebound by number 18, pass to number 7, Terence Romeo, shot, no good, at isa yung 2 points, number 10, pass to number 17, tumira ng 3, pumasok, 2, number 17, para mendapatkan Philippine College of Criminology. Number 7 to number 22, number 22. Alam mo, ikaw lang ako din, sabi ni number 7. Felix Romeo, the veterans, number 10. Number 10, nagmamadali, pass to number 17. Ay, laki mo. Number 7. Nagbababa na bola. Pass to number 22. Time left, 30 seconds. Ball by number 17. 20 seconds for the first quarter. Number 10, tumira ng 3. Hindi pumasok nawa ni Sapi, naribaw ni number 17. 10 seconds. Number 7 nagmamadali, pass to number 17. Ang number, naging naiya pa, nagkayaan pa. Iskor na, nawala pa. Okay lang yan, may second quarter pa. Number 7 is a easy 2 points. Play right, pass to number 17, 2 to number isa traveling, play right, to number 17, 2, easy 2 points. Selga, number 7, the veterans. Number 7 to number 10 to number 11, easy 2 points. Score 31-45. Time left 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 16, long shot, the good, rebound by number 10 to number 7. Number 7, the veterans to number 11, palap is a easy 2 points. Tiro-tiro po lumalabang ang barangay Duro. Play right, umibot, nahilo, nakakuha ng foul, number 11.
Siyempre, sisiyan yun. Alam mo naman yung mga yun, may sisiyan.
By number 10, easy 4 points by number 10.
Play right.
Number 17, 2, 3 points by 2. Number 7, the veterans. To number 11, nagtangka ng 4. No good. No, number 18, James Yap, tumira. Is a easy 2 points, 2 minutes exactly for the second quarter. Play right. Dribble the ball, pass to. Roll ka, sabi ni number 10. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Number 11. To number 33, to number 11, Pumege. Is a easy 2 points. Swerte na, grabe pa. Isa, Lopez de Vega boy. Number 20, number 11. Number 17. Logo to by playing white, pass to number 22, to number 17. Is a easy 2 points. 37-55. Lawangan 3-1-2. Time left. 1 minute. Exactly. For the second quarter. 5 seconds to shoot. So good, remember number 18. Ang galing it, 12 na, matangkad pa. Number 17. Bumagawa ba yung number 17? Number 17. Isa.
Plain white. Umikot-ikot.
Napagod ang kakaikot. Nahilo. Number 7. Tumira ng 4. Sabi niya, muntik na. Number 23. Sububok din ng 4. Kala mo ikaw lang ha. Ako rin. Muntik na. Number 11. Nagpapakasakali. Chris na lang. Isa. Nagod. Perfect quarter. Kakamali mo na. Number 10 to number 10.
Foul number 10.
Number 10. Number 8 to number 10. To number 8 again. To number 10. Nagmamadali si number 10. Pero number no good. Remamawag 24. Press na press. Number 23. Number 22. Pass to number 24. Press na press. Unang tira. Muntik na. Tira ka naman eh. Third shoot. Number 27 carry. 5 seconds shoot. Ikot-ikot. Ikot-ikot. Tumira. Hindi ko masok. Sap mo kayo. Lapit konti. Kahit isang di pa lang sa committee. Para nakikita yung player. Number 8 to number 23. Tumira ng kaliwa. No good. Remabay number 10. Pass to sa number 11. Rebound ni number 12. Nagmamadali. Kumilingon pa. Nahandahan. Tumira. No good. Rebound pa yung number 23. Sabi. Nagulat na yung sabi. Laki. Number 23. Pass to. Sabi na, hindi ko kaya baka number 23. Nagmamadali. Pass to number 10. Number 16. Ganda niya ma. Pero bilado. Uy! Muntuwaso. Get hombre. Wemba manyawa. Number 23. Number 11.
No good. Dalawa ba?
Number 13.
Swerte na.
Pass to number 8. Side step. Pass to number 16. Get hombre. No good. Ribabay. Number 16 is easy 2 points. Number 22. The Veterans. The Veterans. Number 23 to Sabi. Back to number 10 to number 33. Stephen Carey. Pinasa sa kalaban. Pinasa rin niya sa kalaban. Okay, number 10. Number 10. Nagmamadali. Pinagod na pala. Pinala. Sayang. Ang ganda na. Pinaganda pa. Number 11. Tumira na 3. No good. Rebabay number 17. Ang galing. Pinasa sa kalaban. Salamat. Sapi. Number 33. Sabi. General. No good. Rebabay number 10. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 33. No good again. Number 10. Behind na ba? To number 8. Pass to kalaban na naman. Biyahe. Number 11. Number 11. Umigat. Tumira. No good. Gwapo lang. Malas pa. number 16, Wembanyama, dahan-dahan, sakto, kay Soto. Nasa tabi, no good. 59-77. Number 7, ginagamit ang oras, lamang sila. Number 30, to number 7 again. Passer good. Isa try to napahabol talaga nila. Number 10, to play Mike, to Hernandez. No good, malas pa rin. Doon nila lang si number 17. Konti na lang yan. 78. Number 7, half step. Puno Septina. Number 10, nagmamadali. Number 17. No good, rebound by Kai Soto. Number 18, to number 33. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 11. Ginagamit ang lalilibang natitirang oras. Tails ay susunod. Kay Mike, pass to number 16. Wembanyama to Kai Soto. No good. Backward yung isa foul. Counted by 78-90. Number 7 to number 30 is 7K, nagmamadali. Pass to number 11. Number 11. 10 seconds to hold. Number 7. Get. Number 10. Isa. 2 points by number 10. Number 17, nagmamadali. Siya na lang ang player sa kita. Sayang. Hindi pumasok at outside. Tinatawagan sa pagsusunod na maglalaro mga Aga Marugoma versus Narisa Palomar under 21. Sabi about 11. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 11. Pass to Zabe. No good again. Rebound by number 7 to number 18. Kai Soto. Ang laki niya, sir. Sinubo na kayo bola. Wembanyama, number 16. Dahan-dahan lang. 2 points. Number 7. Datang na pala kay Boss Leomar, sabi ni Jappy. Kaya na po, pinatawagan na po ang susunod na